In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect your ChatGPT to Canva and then generate a design and go ahead to edit that design on Canva app. Let's get right into it. Click the menu button at the top left and select plugins. Then search for Canva on the search bar. And then click on it. Click on the install plugin button. Click on continue to Canva. Then scroll up to allow the connection. The authorization is successful and we have successfully connected our ChatGPT with Canva. Now let's generate a random flyer design. Then I'll say at Canva, generate a flyer for my shoe business. So it is going to generate 4 designs for us and we'll pick one. The flyer designs are ready. We have the first, the second here, the third and the fourth. So I'll be picking the first one and then opening Canva to edit. So I can go ahead now to edit the design. If I want to adjust any part of the design, I can go ahead with my design adjustment. Like I want to make the shoe bigger, I can do that and center it very well. So that is how you can connect your ChatGPT with your Canva app. Subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and coding tips.